What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Long Beach, California. Of course, we gotta go check out the Nike outlets. Let's go see what's up. All right, so I had no clue what's going on last week or 2 weeks ago when I came here. Long Beach Grand Prix is happening. The race course, most of it is set. And that's crazy because I've never really been around here at that time. Might be coming. I think my kid wants to come, so I might have to go check it out. Got grandstands up there. Okay. So they haven't blocked off every intersection yet, but pretty much do have the race course set. As I showed earlier, do got the stands right there. Might have to come this weekend. Might have to spend a Jordan 1. Might have to spend Jordan 1 retail to bring the family here. All right, let's go check out the Nike outlet. Let's see what's up. I do got 30% off clearance. All right. Do you guys do that as well? Do you guys measure everything in sneakers, the price of sneakers? If y'all are, you guys are addicted. You're addicted to sneakers. All right, let's go check the back. Check that 30% off. All right, I don't even know I'm starting in the size 10 area because I don't need to buy anything. I really don't want to buy anything, but we still got to check the size 10, 10 and a half. Let's go. Let's go. I just don't get tired of seeing this. This just makes the search so much more fun, and it makes average finds turn into good finds, to be honest. Witness 5s go for $95. These are definitely not the Blazer Courts. Some of you guys did remind me that, hey, these are for nurses. They're actually designed by nurses, and that's why that sign is there. That totally makes sense. But yeah, super easy to clean off, super comfortable. All right, $65 for those. Actually, who knows what price is, because these ain't the Courts. All right, these ain't the Blazers. So many boxes that are way off. Look at that. These definitely don't fit in there. SB Bruin Reacts going for $100. Funky colorway though. Oh, and that's a size 11 as well. Vapor Max Next Percents go for $220. What are these? 10 and a half? They made the Converse version of the Flies. I didn't know that. Oh, that's awful. That's awful. Man, $90 for these. All right, not much in the 10 and a half. 270 Reacts right here. You see a bunch of them, $130 for those. Remember, the purpose of this is to get rid of all the stuff that they've had for a while now and all the stuff that they have in the back. So that's kind of why we're seeing the same stuff over and over. Alpha Flight Next Percents, $220. Probably a really good time to get like performance stuff. Like running shoes and stuff like that. These will go for $90. Infinity Run React Flyknit 2s. These originally came out for $160. Yeah, so not bad. Invincible Run Flyknits go for $90. These are the 12s, by the way. Pegasus 38s go for $120. More Alpha Fly Next Percents. These are a size 12 again. $220 for those. Air Max Zyphers. These are the 720s. Yeah, the funky looking 720s. $140 for those. Originally were $190. Holy cow. I do got these Air Force One boots for retail though, size 12 and a half. So those are going for a retail $160. These are going for $120. These are a size 12. Okay. Zoom Rise 2s. These aren't those. Are these the Romelios? Yeah, specifically for weightlifting. I think these are the Romelios. They have one lower end one. Maybe it could be one of those. I don't know. I don't know the price though. And then of course Monarchs as well. These look discolored too. We saw this at that other spot. Like a cream color on the overlay portions. All right, who cares about the price? Finally, something interesting. You got the LeBron 9s right here. I don't remember the colorway. $210 for those. You get that discount. Just 30% everywhere. They have the wrong sign on this one. That's funny. Size 13s, KD 14s go for $100. 30% off. That's $70. That matches one of the cheapest prices we've seen. This is actually a nice colorway too. Not bad. Okay. This is grade school. It's a grade school or men's. But yeah, this is $110. So that's not bad. Especially for the women. That's a size 8. Get that for $80. That's not bad. Might be $79. All right. Got these over breaks. Super comfy. I don't know the price. I guarantee it's not retail. Got some Challenger OGs going for $40. And they're really getting rid of the extended sizes. Black History Month Air Force Ones. The utilities go for $100. Size 14 for those. What's this? The Immortalities. The Zoom These are the Zoom Freak 3s. Go for retail though. But like I said, even retail with that 30% off, not too shabby. Not too shabby. 100 bucks for these, size 15. That's it. Did neglect the smaller sizes, so let's go to the smaller sizes. 9 and under. Dude got Witness 6s. I forget they're on the Witness 6s, huh? These are the LeBron budget line, I guess. 100 bucks for these. This looks nice, actually. I'm not gonna lie. That actually looks like a signature. This looks like more of a signature sneaker than some of the other ones, like the Giannis's and stuff like that. Okay, 100 bucks. Seen so many of these Air Max 90s being returned. 9.5, 150 for those. Never seen this colorway of the Air Sheesh or Air Shesh. This one is a size 9. That's dope. Oh, that's dope, actually. Kind of like those. 110 is the sticker on those. Alpha Fly Next Percents. We've seen a bunch of these size 9, $120 or $220. Golf. They got some golf shoes. The Infinity Tours go for $70. Dang, that's hella cheap. Especially with that 30. More Alpha Fly Next Percents. How many have we seen of these? $220 for those. And these funky things, the Gators. The Joyride Envies? Oh, I thought these were the Gators. Oh, they don't come up that high. $50 for these. These started at $200. And then these, what are these? The Flex? Oh, the free runs. I'm getting everything wrong today. Free runs go for 110. Got some Metcons, 9.5, $110. Tempo Next Percent. Flyknits go for $2. That's retail. That's too much. Moving on to the 8s. Not really seeing much. Not really seeing much. Pegasus 37 Shields go for 100 bucks. Air Max 2090s go for 130. More Monarchs, 55 for those. Charge Slips go for 50 bucks. Yeah, not a mucho. Not much at all, dude. Not much. Let's take a look at the owls real quick. See what they got. See what they got. The Zoom Pulse. This is the one for the nurses. But look at that. This is normally 120 down to $30. Are you serious? $30 freaking dollars. Wow. We got what, 9.5 to 12.5? Did I say 2.5? Got Zoom Types, Kill Shot 2 leathers. Seen this one at every outlet, I think. Another colorway right there. Some Blazer Lows going for retail though. Come on now, man. And these Blazer Highs with that buttery, lovely suede, but just awful color, dude. Awful color. Way too orange. Court Legacy Canvas, the fake Blazers. Another one of those going for hella cheap. Last one. I got some, what are the Crater remixes? What the hell is this? Crater Impacts. Super cheap. Pegasus 37s, 38s. Going for a decent price. Okay, 100 bucks, not bad. $20 off retail. Invincible Run Flyknits going for retail price. Vomero 16s, a little discount. Giannis Immortalities. This is the budget version of the Zoom Freaks. The Giannis Immortalities again. These are priced normally 80 down to 70. Okay, 10 bucks off. What are these? 20 bucks off of these. PG5s. Only 10 off of those. Black and red version. University red. Witness 5s. Soldier 14s. More Witness 5s separate from that other one. Got some Hydro 6s. Okay, 8 all the way to 13. Okay. Bruin Reacts, barely got any of these left. Blazer Quartz, these are the canvas ones on the other side. This is the Windflow 8. This is kind of like the budget version of the Pegasus. So Windflow 8s. Then they got some Windflow 7, some budget running shoes. This is the Shield version right here. Alright, we are checking out the women's. Don't really see much. I did peruse it real quick. They got big old sections with gaps too. They come in the size 8.5, 60 bucks for these. Saw these a couple weeks ago last time I came. Court Legacies, these definitely look pretty interesting. $60, normally 80. Pegasus 38's going for about 20. Crater Remixes, still in the size 8.5, it's going for 70. Harachi's going for regular price, size 8.5. Size 9. Alpha Fly Next Percent's going for $2. Could have thrown the box top on the bottom. Come on now, man. Air Max 90s. Okay, $120 though. Size 9 women's. Size 7 Crater Impacts going for 100. Infinity Run Flyknit size 6 going for $130. More size 6s Blazers go for $80 right here. Those are canvas though, right? Oh, this is the GT Blazers. Yeah, and it gets canvas in the front, canvas in the back, and then suede in the front. That's how they make those. Yeah, man, I tried looking for stuff, man. Ain't nothing in the women's. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Let's go check out the aisles. Well, usually the women get a few sections. They just have that and this. This is all kids. Man, that's interesting. All right, let's go check out the women's one aisle right here, and then the running aisle. That's it. Wait, actually, I don't think we're checking out nothing, dude. Legend Essentials, Nike Revolution 5s. I don't think we're checking none of this out. Free runs, Renew in-season trainer. Yeah, no, we're good. We're good. All right, in the running section, they got a little something right here. Vaporfly Next Percents. A couple colorways of those. Alpha Fly Next Percents. Okay. Wait for those to hit the sale section. Tempo Next Percents. Pretty similar to those without the carbon fiber. This, I believe, just has a fiberglass plate and atom knit up. Doesn't have the atom knit up top either. Invincible Run Fly Knits. Full length the Zoom X. Infinity Run Fly Knits with full length React. Also does have the fly knit up top as well. It's supposed to be really comfy. Those do run hella tight though. Do got these bad boys, the Pegasus. Was it 37s or 38s? Pegasus 38. This is the Fly Ease. So it does have a zipper and stuff, so you can kind of take it off easier, I guess. Regular Pegasus 37s. Okay, Air Max do got these 2017s. I just love that full length Air Max. Definitely not as comfortable as the running shoes. Air Max 2090s. Nike Zoom Air Fire? What the hell? Does have Zoom in the back. Okay, that's about it. That's about it. All right, let's see if they have any apparel. See what they got. See what they got. Wait. What the hell? Did I miss this? They got a little heat section. What the hell? Never seen that before. Damn, that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. What? My bad, you guys. I totally didn't even see this. You got the Space Jams. LeBron 19 Space Jams. Guess someone returned it. That is crazy. That is crazy. So let's go for $1.90. I don't think you get any of these discounted. You got the LeBron 7 Lakers colorway. I love these. I do have these at home. One side is gold. The other side is purple. Some people would say this is yellow, but technically, I guess gold. Okay. We got some other LeBrons right here. They trying to get full price for these? Y'all are, man, that don't make no sense. Couple of Vapor Maxes, trying not to give these up for a discount, I guess. Each outlet kind of has its own rules, so they kind of do their own heat sections differently. I understand those not being discounted, but like really, like, I don't know. And then that one too, come on now. Dude got the Bo Jackson, the trainers right here. This is a pretty dope colorway actually. This is not bad at all. Okay. Like the plastic portions right here, like you can see the reflection, iridescent. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. $1.50 for these. Air Max 97's going for $1.80. And they do got some Del Sol size 11 right here. Okay. All right, that was pretty dope. All right, let's go check out some of the clothes. See if they got any deals since it is 30% off. Okay. Guess they got some tights. Oh, these are for boys. I was like, what the hell? It's like, what the heck is this, man? Ain't nobody trying to have their manhood just being extra displayed like that. What the hell? $30, only $45 for the boys. You got these basketball shorts. Look at this, size large, $10. And you get 30% off on top of that. It's hella. Damn, that's like super thin. Super thin, man. That's the type of stuff you wear to the gentleman's club, right? Okay. Yeah, I'd be saying some stupid things sometimes. All right, dude got these. $30, normally $50. These are kids large. Fleece jacket with buttons, XL for kids. Normally $60 down to $35. You get that 30 off. That's actually pretty clean. All right, now we're checking the men's. And they got t-shirts right here going for $15, normally $25. This is a small. More Nike shirts, normally $30 down to $20. That's a medium. Oh, that's the penny shirts. Okay. Nike running dry fit, normally $40 down to $25. It's a medium. Rams t-shirt. Dude got leftover Rams t-shirt. I've seen them at a couple outlets here and there. $25, normally $30 down to $25. You do get that extra discount. This is a medium. Jordan pixelated t-shirt, $25. That's not bad. Oh, it's a long sleeve too. Not bad. I rarely ever wear long sleeves. That's the only issue. You got the Super Nintendo Jordan right there. Okay. ACG 110 down to 75. ACG is always like super expensive. Oh, that's hella soft inside. Wow. That is a medium. $15 t-shirts. Nike t-shirts. These are nice. That's nice. Okay. Jordan hoodie, $80. Guess you get the 30% off. That's a large. Dude got shorts. Jordan triple XL fleece shorts going for $30. Normally $45. That discount makes it totally worth it. Dang, there's some like colorful stuff here. Dang, dude, is it like that nowadays? What the hell? A little much. Still got the large for the Jordan sweatpants right there. Oh, that's the one with the nice embroidery on it. Super thick. The black fleece just fades really quickly. And then just this bright stuff. Yeah, nothing much. Nothing much. All right, not too much else on sale. Man. And it's crazy because we've seen these on sale at different spots. This is $70 here. We saw it 30% off at some other spots. Which spot was that? Was that Westlake? Was that? I think it was at Camarillo we saw this on sale. Jordan stuff, t-shirts going for 40% off. Sweats going for 30% off. Oh, only the bottoms are 30% off. Okay. Dude got LeBron t-shirts going for regular price though. I'm good on all that regular price stuff. Well, regular outlet price that is. 35 down to 25. Bunch of shorts. Getting rid of all their shorts. But I think that's it. The only thing right there. That little heat section. Only super interesting thing here. And that's it. All right, let's wrap it up. We're out. Dang, it's bright outside. Get in there. That's funny. Damn you. And these aren't even dope sneakers even worth showing. Damn it. 12 and a half. They do got. Damn, man. They're just not cooperating with me today. One side is yellow. The other